Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Beneficiaries of the Niger Delta Development Commission's projects are commending the agency for giving them a new lease of life by completing critical infrastructure such as community roads, electricity projects, educational infrastructure, as well as solar-powered street lights and other social programs, amongst many others. Some of these beneficiaries who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta crew recently narrated how seamless their lives and livelihoods have been since the various interventions in their communities. They also called on the intervention agency to continue on this trajectory of improved service delivery across communities in the region.
Manifest evidence of work done on several high-impact projects abound in several communities in the region. At Anwan Fort community in Akwa Ibom State, construction of road networks and installation of street lights have improved livelihoods.
The street light is working normally. From the tail of this side to the end, they are all okay.
Since they mount this light, it looks as other like a developing town.
NDDC, we are grateful and we thank you for what you have done for us, because giving us the light, it has made our business to grow.
Moving to Rivers State, several communities in AKUGHA local government area and MAMODE local government areas have also benefited from the Midas touch of the Dr. Samuel Obuku's led commission. Residents of MAMODE community went as far as naming their street Nddc Road as a testament to what the commission has done to improve their living conditions.
When it comes to rainy season, there's no access at all. So, but when the road was constructed, we've been able to enjoy a dry land to our houses, a clean environment, and it made life easy.
Many communities across the region are now enjoying electricity after many years of darkness. And in Abia State, motorists are now singing a new song following the completion of the Obehe Road in Okekpe, local government area of the state.
I used to ply this road before. It wasn't like this. It was so bad, but now we are in the next 5 seconds, we reach Akwete. So I'm very, very happy about it.
Since we have bad roads, market is not going. But now things is moving very, very well. So I thank the NDDC people that is working this road. I pray that God will give them more grace.
The roads and solar-powered streetlights in Umuidi and Ituokon communities in Delta and Cross River states respectively are giving the communities a brand new look.
This is Umuidi Road, leading to Express Bypass via Umueha. The road was in a very bad state. It was impassable. But since the NDDC came to effect their work here, the road had been very good.
2 years ago, it's very bad.
Okay.
Everywhere very bushy.
Okay.
But now, from a year ago, the road is very nice.
The narrative is almost the same in Akure, Ondo State.
Before now, where motorists found it difficult to move around, but NDDC this time around, under the leadership of Dr. Sam Obuku, in fact, he has done wonderfully well for the people of Ondo State, and we commend him.
Etegwe and Oruma roads completed by the NDDC remain a standing legacy for the commission in Bayelsa State, as beneficiaries say the projects have made movement along the area much easier. The Obuku-led management team has proven that they can be trusted to bring the needed development to the region. With the passage of the 2024 budget, the Commission has promised to complete critical abandoned projects that will go on to better the lots of the Niger Delta people.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,